Everybody, how's it going? We got about to head out for a same-day rental. Gonna have it over the weekend, and then another rental right after this one for a couple days. So super grateful for you guys watching. Thanks for supporting the channel lately. It's beautiful mid-40s weather here in northern Michigan, and we'll see you at the GoPro. Thanks. So guys, we are back. Another video at a drop-off. Let's go. Customer wants the dumpster right by these stairs here. I'm gonna try to get a little closer here for him. Make it easier for him here. Alright guys, we're gonna call that good. It's getting dark already. It's only 5 o'clock right now and it's already dark. Pretty crazy actually. Okay, see if that's level there. Come down a little bit more. Stability test here. We're good. I'm gonna put one locking device here on it. Just we're kind of far from home, so no. Nice. Okay guys, final walk around. We're locked up. Looks good. Thank you all for watching. Super grateful. Have a great rest of your day.